I'm Gwen Marston. I'm an instructor for iquilt, and I'm here today to show you a little tip about sewing what I call unequal equilateral triangles. So as you can see, they look like this. Some are large and some are small, and it just makes a very playful border and or quilt. So when you try this, if you just cut odd-sized triangles and try to sew them together, it doesn't work very well, because look what happens. If they start going downhill, they won't stay straight. So you've got to have a way to make them so that they stay straight. And the whole trick here is that where two pieces join, two triangles touch each other, that angle has to be identical on both pieces. That's the principle that makes this work. So let's try this again. And I'll show you how we can make that work. So here's a piece of green fabric. That's going to be, we're going to cut a green one that does fit right. So you get it lined up on the green and keep it straight across this, because we want to recut this angle so it's exactly the same as the yellow one. Then you take the top one here and rotate it around, and you can see that it fits exactly. So now we're going to put right sides together. Although in solids, I guess there isn't a right side. Flip it over. Sew the seam. And then let's just look here. So there it is. So you can see that it's staying straight. It's not going downhill like the other one did. So then you put your ruler on and cut the next triangle. And the whole point of this is that they can be various sizes. So we can make it bigger. These plastic rulers make it so nice you can see the visual real clearly. Or you could make a real sharp angle. So let's just try that. A little skinnier one. Now let's get the red back and see how this works. You lay it on there so that it's straight, because we want to have the angles identical. Okay, now you take the top one, and you're not turning it over, you're just rotating it around. And you can see, lay it in position, you can see exactly right there. It shows you that you're in the right position. And then you just flip this over and sew it on. For more tips on how to sew in a liberated style, I invite you to take my class on iquilt. See you there.